Hello friends, this is Manisha and welcome to our channel CGFamily. Today I am going to introduce you to Marvelous Designer. As some of you already know, it's a great software for people who are looking for clothes simulation and especially for fashion designer cause it's really easy and interesting to make clothes in it and simulate them. So let's begin. Let's start with the views. There are two views as you can see. This is the 3D view and second one is the 2D view, where we are gonna make fabric and sew it. Then you will see it simulate in the 3D view on your model. And this 3D view you can operate as you do any other 3D software. And you can change the views from the right corner down below. As you can see, there are 3 tabs. This is your 3D/2D view. This is your 3D view only, and this is your 2D view only. But it's always good to use both of the views so you can make and sew the fabric here in your 2D view and watch it simulated on your model in 3D view. So next we are going to learn how to load an avatar or use your own model as avatar too. So let's start. Go to File, open an avatar, and it will take you directly to the templates of your avatar. So let's open this. See, you get a 3D avatar and you will get this in 2D view as a shadow so that you can make the outline of your avatar and make clothes for them. Now let's load your own model as avatar. For that, first you need to have the OBJ file of your own model. Now go to File, Import or OBJ. Then I'm going to choose this one, open. It's going to open this window. Let's see, it will be open, load as avatar, and you can scale it. I'm going to put it in inches. Okay. So you get your own model as avatar. As you can see it in 3D view, and it will give you a shadow view in 2D view to make clothes for it. So that's it for this tutorial. Next we are going to learn how to make a t-shirt for your model. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share our channel CGFamily. Thank you.